Hello, welcome to Excel Fundamentals. Today we'll be looking at the concatenate function. This function is really awesome when you're trying to combine several pieces of information into one cell. So let's start off by looking at the definition of the function. And we'll start typing it in right here. Concatenate joins several text strings into one text string. So here on the left in this chart, I've got this fictional table of names, area codes, and phone numbers. These are all made up, and we're going to want to combine them into different combinations, and we're going to do some really cool stuff. So let's start off by combining first names and last names, and we'll call that full name. Now, we will start off by kicking it off with our concatenate function, and text number 1 is going to be the first name, hit comma, and text number 2 is going to be the last name. Simple, right? So what happens? It combined literally what was in the two cells. So if there's no space between the names, then you're not going to get a space between the names. So what's another way we could do this? We could add in the space manually ourselves. Let's do that. So text 1 is the first name, but text 2 is the space. In order to add a symbol or space when using concatenate, you need to put it in quotes. So I'm going to add my quote, and I'm going to hit the space bar and then add the next quote. And then text 3 is the last name. Boom. Now we've got a space between our first and last names, and you can actually copy this all the way down, and the space will remain. There you go. Simple. Now we're going to do full phone number. And with full phone number, we're going to combine the area code and the phone number. And I'm going to demonstrate just like I did with the names. Oops. Concatenate. There's text 1, and there's text 2. And what happens? Just like in the first example, the area code and phone number are attached because there are no spaces. So we're going to want to manually enter our dash with spaces. So let's check this out. Here's our area code. And text 2, you're going to want to start it off again with a quote. And I'm going to first put a space, then a dash, and then another space to make the separation, and then close the quote. And then we put in text 3. There you go. Nice, clean, and it's going to copy all the way down. Now let's say you wanted to put all of these in one text for whatever reason. We can do that too. We'll call it full info. And again, you'll concatenate, and I'm going to demonstrate just like I did last time what happens when you don't put a space in between and they're connected. So we're going to want to manually add our own space. So there's the full name, and I will add a space, and why not add a colon? So we'll do colon space, close the quote, and there's the number. Boom, looks great. And copy it all the way down. And there you have it. A really quick lesson on concatenate using names, using phone numbers, and combining them all together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any comments or questions in the comments section. Thank you.